Hi, my name is Zina Gallo. I'm the Director of Operations at S&R Trucking. We've been in business since 1992. We're an asset-based transportation and brokerage company, currently operating at 250 trucks and constantly adding. We have about 50 employees, both in Canada and overseas. We currently have about 300 drivers operating across Ontario and across Quebec. We recently started going across Canada and into the United States as well. Over the past few years, we've tremendously updated our fleet, updated our equipment, updated our technology, and with that came PortPro. PortPro to me was a huge game changer from an operational standpoint. It tremendously reduced our operating costs and operating time. Some of the issues that we were having with our last legacy system that we were using was functionality and user friendliness. There was a lot of interfaces that we had to go through in order to get one simple job done. Whereas with PortPro, we have one page where we can see everything. So visibility is there, which reduced the time that dispatches were taking to dispatch loads to drivers and also communicating with customers. We do about 300 to 400 loads per day, ranging from flatbeds, dry vans, and containers. With the legacy system that we were using, we were having some difficulties managing the various transportation modes. And with the PortPro, we're able to manage different load types on one platform that also gives it easy accessibility for the drivers to get their dispatching, to get the complete information that they need to get the job done. So with any change, there's always resistance in the beginning. However, after our drivers and our dispatchers started using PortPro, they were able to see the difference and they were able to adapt well. We have a lot of Punjabi drivers, so one of the main things that we were worried about was the language barrier. And PortPro was able to adapt a tool and also dub videos in Punjabi so that our Punjabi drivers can learn the software and navigate it easily. PortPro has a driver app that all drivers have on their devices. So it's either their tablets, their phones. They're able to accept loads, review notes. They're able to upload documentation, PODs, interchanges, bill of ladings, and they're able to upload that directly into our system so that we can see it, so that our customers can see it. Dispatch times are reduced from 30 to 40 minutes to about 10 minutes per dispatch. PortPro saves S&R about 3,500 hours annually across customer service and yard operations, reducing workload from 8 to 9 hours daily to just 1 to 2 hours. Providing customer service is one of our main focuses because customers are your source of income. So we need to ensure that customers are always happy, that they're satisfied, and they're getting the information that they need when and where they need it. So with the visibility and customer portals, we have reduced our emails, our phone calls by over 80%, I would say, because now customers are able to log in, they're able to access their information without having to call us, without having to send an email, which has led us to have more time to do and focus on the things that matter the most, which is making sure that customers are happy and making sure we're getting the job done right.